I was sent this product to review. This is Hydrolyzed Multi Collagen. It's type 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. It's got 10 grams of collagen, 0 sugar, 0 fat. So it is keto friendly if you're on a keto diet. It has collagen from beef, chicken, shellfish-free wild fish, and eggshell membrane, all of which are high in collagen. This is a great product to support your skin, hair, joints, and digestion. It promotes, healthy, all of that, healthy skin, hair, joints, and digestion. So this is a great product. You just take a scoop. This is this container has 45 scoops in it, 45 servings. You take a scoop, you put it in your favorite beverage or mix it in with any soft food, anything like that, and just consume it daily. And the product is very good. It's gluten-free. It is, like I said, keto-friendly, non-GMO. It's dairy-free, so you don't have to worry about any kind of sensitivities with those things. So this is just a great product to have and use, and I highly recommend it.